Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 25th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. I am way more fun than a financial advisor. Okay, Tesla. So Palantir closed down 42 cents at 3.14% at 12.97. Post market, we are up 3 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the charts. We have a red candle today. We have a red candle with the longer wick at the bottom. Even though we came down, the buyers pushed the stock back up a little bit towards the end of the day. So we are within this bullish channel here. So we touched and tried to really break outside of this bullish channel, but had a hard time. And now we are closing back inside of it. So it would be possible that we do something like this. So it does not seem like we want to be crossing this upward, this resistance right here yet to get to 1418 and 1482. So we might be getting a little bit of a pullback. Just be aware of that. Stochastic is still pretty high. The chances of that pullback being big are minimal, but if we start to see stochastic coming back lower, then you might want to take that into consideration. Let's go quickly on the 1 hour chart. I'm going to remove my mess. So first hour of the day, boom, came down, second hour down, and then we are basically going sideways. And stochastic on the 1 hour chart became below 60. So there's a little bit of danger here. So I would say if we break 1282, then since we don't have stochastic over 60, we are going to drop some. I don't know how much, but we are going to drop some. So keep 1282 in mind for an intraday trade. Going back to the daily chart, so stochastic still at 82, so still quite strong. MACD still broke over bullish with one line above zero, not two. RSI coming back down a little bit, and DMI, which came very close to breaking over bullish, did not do so yet because of this little bit of a pullback. So stay tuned. We are going to be here next week to take a look at Palantir every single day. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. You can send me some Bitcoin. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday if you are not a member. If you are a member, we are going to talk on Sunday for the live. That is only for my members. So great weekend, and I'm going to tell you, à la prochaine.